My work's primarily based in ceramics and woodwork, and I'm very interested in ceramics because it's a process of creating forms and the materiality of clay. For my final piece, I'm interested in creating structures from wood, and a certain element of it is a kind of semi-domestic environment, and arranging crafted objects like ceramics. So I'll be creating a large-scale sculptural installation, hopefully one that the viewer can walk into, and a sort of small space within the gallery space that the viewer can enter into and escape the gallery space, essentially. My work's particularly experiential, I feel. It's designed to draw people into a space and look at it in physical reality. So it doesn't particularly translate well online, but I'm hoping to get the opportunity to exhibit it elsewhere if I can. So I'm very inspired by traditional craft techniques, particularly, well, in woodwork and ceramics, and in such ancient techniques that it feels like I want to try and continue that tradition on by learning it as best as I can and honing the craft. The main materials I work with are wood and ceramic, and also found objects. I like constructional materials like clamps and chains to hold things up, so things that look like they're in the process of being made. I'm originally from Edinburgh. I went to study engineering in Newcastle and decided it wasn't for me, and I wanted a more creative path where I could really explore using materials. And I decided that art course was for me, so I came to an open day at Dundee, and just the facilities here seemed perfect. The workshops here seem so well equipped, and all the technicians are very friendly and willing to help. I'm looking forward to, after I graduate, moving on to maybe exploring apprenticeships or studio assistants with ceramicists, or possibly woodworkers. I'm really excited about the prospect of honing a craft until I become really competent at it.